Welcome to the installation video of the CURT 51190 Echo Underdash Brake Controller. Before proceeding with setting up the Echo, please read the included instruction manual carefully to ensure proper functionality of the brake controller and trailer brakes. Also, before installation, you will need to make sure you have the proper wiring harness. If your vehicle is equipped with a factory tow package, you will need a CURT quick plug harness that is made for your specific vehicle. Refer to your owner's manual to locate the vehicle's brake controller harness plug-in location. Some vehicles will have a blunt cut set of wires located under the dash, instead of a plug. In this instance, you will need the CURT 51515 harness with pigtails that splices directly into that wiring. If your vehicle is not equipped with a factory tow package, you'll need to install the CURT 51500 wiring kit along with the CURT 51515 harness with pigtails. Before installing the Echo brake controller in your vehicle, set the manual control gain output and brake light switches to your preference. These switches can be found on the front of the unit. Switch number 1 controls the tow vehicle and trailer brake lights when the manual control is activated. Move the switch to the off position if you want to turn off the brake light activation feature, and the brake lights will not be activated when the manual control is actuated. Switch number 2 controls the manual trailer brake activation. Moving the switch to the off position allows 100% of the output to the brakes when the manual control is actuated, regardless of the output control setting. Begin the installation by determining a suitable solid mounting location under the dash for the Echo brake controller. Once you have located a suitable mounting location, the Echo can be mounted in any orientation with the supplied zip ties or adhesive pad. After the Echo is securely mounted into place, attach the quick plug that fits your vehicle. For the initial setup, make sure the vehicle is running or the ignition is in the on position with the parking brake engaged and the vehicle is on a flat, level surface. The Echo will have a flashing blue LED light indicating that it is ready to be paired. Once you complete the app registration and pairing process, you will be directed to the active profile screen. From here, you can configure your control to your towing scenario by adjusting the maximum output and sensitivity settings. To adjust, tap the respective icon and press the plus or minus buttons. These settings will automatically be saved to your selected profile. If Bluetooth connection is lost, the device will continue to operate on the latest setting. With the One Control Auto app and the Echo brake controller, you'll enjoy the most advanced brake controller experience on the market and peace of mind for the journey ahead. Now you're ready for adventure. Thank you for watching this video. Now get ready to bring it.